A potential customer lands on your website at 11:30 at night. They have one question, one simple question that stands between them and pulling out their credit card. But you're asleep. There's no one there to answer. So they hit the back button and they buy from your competitor instead. That's not a hypothetical. That's happening on your website right now, tonight, and probably every single night. The average small business loses 67% of potential customers simply because they couldn't get a response fast enough. 67%. And the fix takes less than 30 minutes to set up and costs you nothing. By the end of this video, you are going to have a fully working AI chatbot live on your website. One that answers customer questions, captures leads, books appointments, and handles objections. All without you lifting a finger. We're talking real automation, real results, zero coding. I'm going to walk you through exactly which free tools to use, how to connect them, and what to say so your chatbot actually converts visitors into customers. Welcome to No Code Nation, where we turn complicated tech into simple systems so you can stop working in your business and start working on it. Let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is pick the right chatbot builder. And I want to save you the 3 hours I wasted testing every single option out there. The tool you want is Tidio, Tidio. It is free to start, it connects to your website in literally 2 minutes, and it has built-in AI that learns from your content. Here is why Tidio beats everything else for small businesses. Most chatbot tools are built for enterprise companies with dedicated IT teams. They're complicated, expensive, and honestly overkill. Tidio was built specifically for small business owners who just want it to work. When you sign up, and again, the free plan is genuinely good, you get a visual chatbot builder, live chat backup for when you want to jump in manually, and an AI layer called Lyro that can answer up to 50 conversations a month for free using your own website content. So here's what you do. Go to tidio.com, create your free account, and when it asks what kind of business you have, be specific. Say you're a dental office, or an e-commerce store, or a marketing agency, because Tidio will actually suggest pre-built chatbot templates based on your industry. Do not skip that step. A lot of people skip that step and then wonder why their chatbot sounds robotic. The templates are your starting point, and they are really good. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll see your chatbot widget is already created. Default color, default position. We'll customize that later. For right now, just get the account set up and keep watching, because the next step is where the magic actually happens. Okay, so you have your Tidio account. Now let's build the actual conversation flow. This is the part that most tutorials completely skip over, and it is the reason most chatbots feel useless. Your chatbot is only as good as the conversation you design. So here's how to think about it. Your website visitors almost always have one of 4 questions. Number 1, what do you do, and is it right for me? Number 2, how much does it cost? Number 3, how do I get started or book something? Number 4, I have a specific problem. Can you help? You want your chatbot to handle all 4 of those beautifully. Inside Tidio, click on Chatbots, then click Create Chatbot. You'll see the visual flow builder. It looks like a flow chart, and that is exactly what it is. Start with a trigger. The trigger is what starts the conversation. Set it to activate when someone has been on your website for 10 seconds. Not immediately, 10 seconds. Immediately feels aggressive. 10 seconds means they're actually reading. Then set your opening message. Make it human. Don't say, quote, hello, how can I assist you today? Nobody talks like that. Say something like, quote, hey there, quick question. Are you looking for X or Y? Use your actual service names. Give them 2 buttons to click. Buttons are crucial. People do not want to type. They want to click. From each button, build a short path. If they click option 1, show them your most common FAQ about that service. Then ask if they want to book a call or get pricing. If they click option 2, do the same thing. Every path should end with either a lead capture, meaning you ask for their name and email, or a direct link to your booking page. Keep each path to 3 or 4 steps maximum. Shorter is always better. Then here's the pro move that nobody talks about. Add a fallback message. This is what your chatbot says when someone asks something it doesn't understand. Don't let it say, quote, sorry, I don't understand. Instead, set it to say, quote, great question. Let me connect you with someone who can give you a perfect answer. Then capture their email. You just turned a failed chatbot moment into a lead. That one tweak alone is worth the whole video. Now here is where we level this entire thing up. Because right now you have a chatbot that answers questions. But what you really want is a chatbot that feeds directly into your business systems automatically. This is where Zapier comes in, and this is genuinely where the no-code magic happens. Every time your Tidio chatbot captures a lead, meaning someone gives you their name and email, you want that information to automatically show up in your CRM, your email list, your Google Sheet, wherever you manage your customers. You do not want to be manually copying and pasting leads. That defeats the entire purpose. So here's what you do. Open Zapier.com and create a free account if you don't have one. Create a new Zap. Set the trigger app to Tidio. The trigger event is new conversation or visitor data captured, depending on your Tidio plan. Connect your Tidio account by pasting in your API key. You'll find that in your Tidio settings under integrations. Now set your action. If you use MailChimp, set the action to add subscriber. If you use a Google Sheet to track leads, set it to create spreadsheet row. If you use HubSpot or any other CRM, they're all available in Zapier. Map the fields. First name goes to first name, email goes to email. And here's a bonus. Add a note that says, quote, lead came from website chatbot. That way you know exactly where your leads are coming from and you can track which ones actually convert. Turn the Zap on. Done. Now, every single lead your chatbot captures goes straight into your system automatically, instantly, at 2 in the afternoon or 2 in the morning. You have just built a 24/7 lead generation machine, and it costs you nothing extra because both the free Zapier plan and the free Tidio plan support this integration. This is the kind of automation that used to require a developer and a $5,000 budget. You just did it in under an hour. Last step, and this one is about making your chatbot actually sound like you and your brand. Because the biggest complaint people have about chatbots is that they feel cold and robotic. And that kills trust instantly. Here's how to fix it in 3 specific ways. First, train the AI on your content. In Tidio, go to the Lyro AI section. You'll see an option to add your website URL or paste in your FAQ content. Do this. Copy your top 10 to 15 most common customer questions and answers from your FAQ page, from emails you've sent, from your own head, and paste them in. Lyro will use this to answer questions in a conversational way using your own words and information. This takes about 15 minutes, and it makes an enormous difference. Second, customize the look and feel. In Tidio's settings under Appearance, change the chatbot color to match your brand. Upload your logo or a friendly photo as the avatar. Give your chatbot a name. Not something generic like bot or assistant. Give it a real name that fits your brand personality. A law firm might call theirs Alex. A pet grooming business might call theirs Biscuit. Yes, Biscuit. People actually respond better to chatbots that have names and faces. That is backed by research, and it is a 2-minute change. Third, set up your hours message correctly. In Tidio under Settings, set your business hours. When someone contacts the chatbot outside those hours, have it say something like, quote, we're currently closed, but I've saved your question and a real person will follow up with you by 9 a.m. tomorrow. Then trigger that lead capture. This sets expectations, it feels human, and it stops people from just bouncing because they think no one's there. Put all 4 of these pieces together. The right tool, the right conversation flow, the Zapier automation, and the brand customization. And you have a chatbot that genuinely works. Not just a widget sitting in the corner of your site that nobody uses. A real system that captures leads, answers questions, and represents your business professionally every single hour of every single day. So let's recap what you just learned. Pick Tidio as your chatbot builder. Free plan, no code, live in minutes. Build a smart conversation flow with buttons and a fallback lead capture. Connect it to Zapier so every lead goes straight into your CRM or email list automatically, and customize the look, the name, and the AI training so it actually sounds like your business. That is a complete 24/7 lead generation system that works while you sleep, while you're with your family, and while you're out living your life. If this video helped you, hit subscribe right now because we drop new no-code automation tutorials every single week. And drop a comment below telling me which tool you're going to try first. Tidio, Zapier, or both? I read every comment and I will reply. Go build your chatbot. Your future customers are waiting.